Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2010 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. With low kilometres, this car will take you far and get you where you want to go. Get more performance with this powerful engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride. If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.